What you are about to witness is not a repair. It is a resurrection. Inside this forgotten shell of steel and rust lies a secret waiting to be unveiled. One woman saw the potential that everyone else had discarded. Her mission, to transform the abandoned into the astonishing. Stay with us because the journey from ruin to revival begins now. The monumental task begins by confronting years of neglect. A powerful spray washes away the grime, a baptism for a forgotten soul. The first layer of the past is stripped away. Even the deepest stains are targeted as the interior is purged. Every fiber is meticulously cleansed, revealing what lies beneath. With the cleansing complete, the tools of deconstruction are prepared. Transformation requires more than cleaning. It demands a total teardown. Piece by piece, the car is carefully disassembled. Its very structure is laid bare for all to see. Each component is surgically removed, a study in mechanical anatomy. The car's doors are set aside, revealing the vulnerable interior. The deconstruction continues, reaching deep into the vehicle's core. Even the smallest parts are painstakingly removed. Nothing is overlooked in this meticulous process. The barriers to the car's soul are taken down one by one. The seats, which held forgotten stories, are unbolted. They are lifted from their foundation. Layer by layer, the car is stripped down. It is reduced to its raw skeletal form. The seats are finally lifted away, exposing the floor and the true extent of the decay. Inside the hollowed shell, the ravages of time are now visible. The careful work of dismantling the facade continues with precision. Every screw and fastening is addressed with unwavering focus. The old upholstery is sliced away, severing ties to a dilapidated past. Another piece of its former self is carried away, making room for a complete rebirth. She works tirelessly, her determination etched into every movement. The rotted flooring is peeled back, unearthing the car's hidden wounds. Beneath, a tangled web of wires reveals a deeper challenge. The car's nervous system, old and corroded, is exposed. This discarded relic is now ready for its own intensive care. With a powerful blast, years of dirt are purged. The water washes away grime from its very foundation. A deep cleansing with soap begins to restore its integrity. The final rinse washes away any lingering trace of decay. The purification process is thorough. Every inch is prepared for renewal. The work is relentless, driven by a vision of what this car can become. Now the true restoration begins. Healing the vehicle from the inside out. The seats are lovingly restored by hand. Their dignity is slowly returning. A high-pressure stream erases the last remnants of their faded past. With the car's frame exposed, a new foundation must be forged. Precise measurements are taken, templates for a stronger future. She carefully draws out the design. Sparks fly as raw metal is cut and shaped. A new skeleton begins to take form. The process is intense, a shower of fire heralding the reconstruction. The newly forged piece is carefully placed, ready to mend the broken frame. With intense light and heat, the wounds of time are welded shut. The structural healing is now complete. Each of the car's vital organs is carefully cleaned and prepared. A vibrant protective coating is applied, a symbol of its newfound strength. This coat of armor will protect it from decay. The entire floor is sealed in a brilliant red, a promise of the vibrant life to come. The smallest details are attended to, wiping away any and all imperfections. The restored seats are treated with a final conditioning touch. The heart of the car is ready to be returned to the rejuvenated body. The restored components are carefully brought together. Each part is methodically cleaned for its place in the new design. The renewed seats now stand ready, a stark contrast to their former ruined state. The bare chassis awaits the first piece of its new interior. With gentle hands, the restored carpeting is laid into place. It is carefully fitted, a soft foundation for the revived cabin. Small, intricate details of the console are reinstalled. The new carpet is smoothed and secured, bringing a sense of comfort back to the vehicle. Every piece of the interior is reassembled with purpose. The process is deliberate, ensuring a perfect fit. The moment arrives to return the seats to their rightful place. They are carefully maneuvered and bolted down, securing the heart of the cabin. From the driver's seat, a quiet moment of satisfaction. The dashboard, once coated in grime, is polished to a shine. The final interior elements are secured into place. A final inspection confirms the interior is transformed. The car, once a hollow shell, is now whole again. Its soul has been fully restored. Now, attention turns to the complex electrical system. Frayed wires are carefully mended, restoring the flow of energy. The work continues, ensuring the nervous system is functional. Every connection is checked and secured. The reinstallation of interior panels marks another step. The floor is now protected, ready for the final touches. The interior, once gutted, now looks clean and cohesive. The engine turns over, a triumphant roar signaling its revival. With the interior restored, she turns to the engine. An inspection reveals the work needed to restore its mechanical heart. She methodically disassembles key components. Each part is handled with care, a mechanical surgery in progress. The radiator, crucial for cooling, is removed for service. It is flushed and cleaned with powerful streams of water, clearing away years of internal blockage. The refurbished radiator is guided back into position. It is securely bolted into place, ready to support the engine. Remaining engine components are meticulously reassembled. A final check ensures every connection is sound. The heartbeat of the car is now strong. Delicate work on the fluid lines requires a steady hand. Under the hood, she continues her focused work. A small, vital engine part is inspected, then reinstalled. The engine is replenished with essential fluids. The battery is connected, ready to send life through the machine. Her commitment is unwavering. She gathers the necessary tools for the next phase. The work takes her underneath the car, tackling the hidden mechanics below. More fluids are added, ensuring it will run smoothly. The charger is hooked up, breathing life into the battery. With the engine revival complete, she gives it a final inspection. She stands before her work with quiet confidence. The restored car stands ready, a testament to her skill. The final mechanical task, replacing the tires. The car is lifted, a routine procedure handled with care. The old tire is removed and the new one fastened in its place. The car stands fully restored, reborn from scrap. The last damaged wheel must be addressed. A clear symbol of its former life of neglect. With an electric wrench, the old wheel is swiftly unbolted. The damaged wheel is removed, making way for a fresh start. The new wheel is secured, completing the car's foundation. With mechanical work done, she prepares for the final transformation. The tools of repair are put away, making way for the tools of artistry. Now, preparations for a new look begin. Sanding and polishing tools are meticulously prepared. The process of stripping away the old faded paint begins. The machine works away the weathered surface, revealing a blank canvas underneath. Every inch of the old exterior is painstakingly removed. The entire body is sanded down. A meticulous effort to prepare for a new identity. The car, now a clean slate, stands ready for the next chapter. It has been stripped of its identity, ready to be reborn. A special filler is used to smooth out the deepest scars. The filler is applied with the skill of a sculptor, shaping a flawless surface for the paint. This careful process ensures the final job will be perfect. She inspects her work, ensuring a perfectly smooth canvas. Each panel receives the same meticulous treatment. Even the roof is perfectly smooth, no detail is too small. The body is wiped down, preparing it for primer. A layer of primer is applied, the first step in its new look. The car is carefully masked ... protecting the areas not meant for paint. The masking is a work of art in itself. A precise and intricate process. The car is washed one last time, ensuring a pristine surface for the paint. Even the license plate is removed for a comprehensive job. Every inch is cleaned again, a final purification. The tools for the final, transformative act are assembled. The paint is mixed, a custom color for a one-of-a-kind creation. She stirs the paint with focus, the final ingredient. The paint is carefully prepared and loaded into the sprayer. With a steady hand, the new color is applied. A misty gray transforming the body. The car's new identity emerges from beneath the primer. She moves with practiced grace, ensuring a flawless coat. The entire car is bathed in its new color. The transformation is stunning. The final passes are made, completing the base coat. The equipment is cleaned, her work as a painter now done. She steps back to admire the result, a sleek, modern finish. But the vision is not yet complete. A final, bold detail is prepared. The hood is masked once more for a dramatic accent. The car, a monolith of gray, awaits its touch of personality. A brilliant red is sprayed onto the hood. A fiery streak of defiance. The final stroke of the masterpiece is carefully applied. The artist surveys her work, the vision taking shape. The vibrant red stripe is meticulously painted, giving the car a new, aggressive personality. The masking is removed, revealing sharp, clean lines. From forgotten wreck to stunning, custom creation. The journey is over. It's time to drive. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at BuildX for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.